Yo, what up, guys, and welcome back to the menswear podcast. It's your boy, Kai. I am joined by my co-host, Zach.
What up?
And we have a very special guest, highly requested, highly anticipated.
Yes team, welcome back to another video. I hope that you're all having a good day, dressing well, and of course getting stuff done. Now today we're kind of diving into the archive style of videos, and I'm bringing you today a sneaker unboxing, something that we haven't done for such a long time. Now the sneaker that we are looking at today is from Acne Studios, and we're actually looking at the trail sneaker. So I've had these sneakers for a few weeks now, so I can give you kind of like a bit more of an in-depth review on if I think they're worth it, you know, the quality of them, the comfort, etc, and how I personally like to style them. These sneakers come in the stock standard Acne Studio box, which, I mean, Acne Studios just does everything nice. You know, you've got the white Acne Studios logo in this kind of like dusty pink box. Now inside they do come with, you know, just a standard Acne Studio shoe bag. Again, nice and simple. You know, we've got all the paper, we've got all that, it doesn't really matter. The main thing that we want to see is these sneakers. So these are the trail sneakers by Acne Studios. The recommended retail price for these is £310 roughly, depending on where you purchase them from, but that is also what Acne Studio sells them for. Now I got these from End Clothing when they were on sale, because personally, I was just gonna go cut to the chase. I love these shoes, but I wasn't gonna pay £310 for them. I got them for, I think it was £205, which was quite perfect for me, because a shoe that I was really and have been looking at for such a long time was the New Balances 990s in the gray colorway. Obviously it's a very popular silhouette. You see a lot of people have them, and that retails for £180. So I'm stoked that I was able to pay just a little bit more and get these. I did get mine in a UK 9, and I do recommend you guys to go true to size. So the shoe does come in quite a few different colorways. I personally rate this colorway the most. The way they describe this colorway is white and ivory. Then we do have a little bit of pink on the back on the Acne Studios heel tab. On the outside of the shoe, we also do have Acne Studios written again. So what I like about this sneaker is it features a combination of a running and also trail element in one silhouette. And the shoe is also crafted in like this semi-transparent, which means obviously you can kind of see your socks. So if you are purchasing these, just be aware of the socks that you are wearing. What I do really like about these shoes is that because of their quite neutral colorway, again, they're pretty much white/cream shoes, is that they are so easy to style, and you can kind of like team them up with any single outfit. As far as comfort wise, I do think they are super comfortable. Do be aware that it will feel a little bit roomier in the toe box area, just because of the material they're using, that kind of like mesh transparent material. But as like I said, as far as sizing goes, I do recommend going true to size. Now I do have 3 outfits that are kind of like my go-to when styling these shoes, so we're gonna go to that right now. have it, guys. A really nice, quick and easy kind of like sneaker unboxing of the Acne Studio Trail sneakers. Overall, I do really rate these sneakers. Now, £310, I mean, that is quite expensive for a sneaker, especially because you could get something very similar like the New Balance 990s for £180. However, if you can cop these on sale, then I would definitely 100% recommend these over the New Balance 990s. If you are after a semi-similar silhouette, wow, that was a semi-similar silhouette, you can also opt for the New Balance 530s in the white colorway.